In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to pay a mortgage with your Bilt credit card. Now, this is a very quick and a simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So before I get properly started on this video, I am going to say that it is possible to pay a mortgage with your Bilt credit card. However, directly paying with your Bilt credit card is generally not possible. The reason for that is because most mortgage services don't actually accept credit cards. But don't worry, there are some third-party payment services we can use to get around this issue. You see, most mortgage lenders and services don't actually have a system set up to accept credit card payments. Their systems are usually designed for debit card payments or ACH transfers. So in order to pay a mortgage with your Bilt credit card, you're going to have to use a third-party payment service, such as this one called Plastic. It allows you to use your credit card to pay a mortgage, although they do charge a fee which is around 2.9%. So this fee might negate any rewards that you'll earn on your Bilt credit card, making it a less attractive option. So although this isn't a direct way to pay a mortgage with a Bilt credit card, this is one of the only ways in which you're going to be able to get this done. So unfortunately, if you're not happy to pay the 2.9% fee, then this is just not going to be possible. But I hope you found this video helpful anyway, and thanks for watching.